Little more. Little more. Yeah, you're good. Easy. Can't beat that. Sit tight. Yeah, that was good. Good. It's hard to hear sometimes with the harnesses and everything. That was well written. That was well written. Thumbs up a little, not flat hands. Nope. Pretty good. Pretty good. First two jumps. I like that. I like that. Oh, you're good at that. Good girl. Left.
Yeah.
Easy. Nice. Good plan. Good. Excellent. Well done. You make your release. Make sure it's alongside the crest, not too high. Loose, loose. Release a little. Loose. Keep going. You're a little under pace. Good. Right. Atta girl. Soft, soft, and walk. Staying on the rail. Rebecca, that. Good. Slide up her body. No ducking. Excellent. Good.
Missing him?
Yeah, super. Good girl.
I'm glad you pulled us back of the truck. I was thinking, oh crap, I forgot this. Make sure that was closed. All of our luggage would have. Oh, I just
Keep that. Right, right. Oh! Can you think left for a second? Good. Look at Juliana. Look at that chicken. Keep going. He does that. You were good. If these chickens land and touch him with spurs, don't. You better horseback here. That might have given him a little less nerve. Sit a little on horseback, sit a little on horseback, little leg, you tell him, chicken heart there, tell him. Good, stop straight. That's not what you do, you're just a little too short. That's lean on the back horse, leans on you. Nobody's independent of anybody, Ron. Flat, you're pretty good. Mainly jumping, you just like the short. Alright. Good. Very good. You see for calm ducking. Yeah, little egg. Good. He just, when they get bigger, he checks them out a little bit.